Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make guacamole without onions full guide. Mash ripe avocados, add fresh lime juice, chopped tomato, cilantro, minced garlic, salt, and pepper, then fold gently until combined. Taste and adjust acidity and salt, keeping textures chunky or smooth as you prefer. I'll share substitution ideas, storage tips, and serving suggestions to keep your guac bright and satisfying every time. Gather 3 ripe avocados, 1 lime, 1 small tomato, a handful of cilantro, 1 clove garlic, and salt and pepper to taste. Halve and pit the avocados, scoop flesh into a bowl, and squeeze lime over immediately to prevent browning. Finely chop tomato and cilantro, mince garlic, and set aside. I'll guide you through timing and proportions so each batch tastes fresh and balanced, perfect for chips or topping tacos. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like the video so I can keep sharing easy recipes. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is handy in the kitchen for timers and music while you prep and pairs nicely with a guac party. Check the description for the product link and other deals if you want one for your counter. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by mashing avocados to your desired consistency, then mix in lime juice and a small pinch of salt. Fold in chopped tomato, cilantro, and minced garlic gradually, tasting as you go to avoid overpowering the avocado. If you like a smokier note, add a dash of ground cumin or a few drops of hot sauce. I'll explain how to tweak seasoning for crowd-friendly or bold flavors depending on your event.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.